In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum in Microsoft Access Query. By the end, you'll know the standard ways to add up values in your tables using SQL and Design View, plus the key rules that make sums work correctly. Let's start with the most important approach, using the sum function in SQL. When you want a single total from a numeric field, write a query like this. Select sum, field name, as total from your table. The sum function adds every value in that field and returns one number. The AS clause gives the result a friendly column name, so it's easier to read and use in reports. For a concrete example, you might write, select sum amount, as total amount from orders. That returns the total of all amount values in the orders table. You can also sum a calculation instead of a single field. This is especially useful for line item data where you store price and quantity separately. Write, select sum, price or quantity, as total sales from orders. Access evaluates the expression for each row, then sums the results, which is perfect for sales totals and similar metrics. If you only want to total certain records, add a where clause. For instance, to total amount where the country is the United States, use select sum amount as total from orders where country equals USA. Notice the double quotes around the text value. That's the correct way to filter text fields in Access SQL. To see totals per group, combine sum with group by. For example, select customer ID, sum, amount, as total spent from orders group by customer ID. This returns one row per customer, each with its own total. Any field that appears alongside an aggregate like sum must be grouped, which is why customer ID goes in the group by clause. If you prefer not to write SQL, you can do the same in Design View. Open your query in Design View, then click the Totals button, which looks like a sigma. A new row labeled Total appears in the grid. For the field you want to add, change Group By to Sum. Then run the query to see your results. Access builds the aggregate query automatically behind the scenes. A few important rules to remember. Sum works only on number, currency, or other numeric data types. It ignores null values, so blanks won't distort your totals. And when you include non-aggregated fields alongside a sum, you must use a totals query or add a group by so your results make sense.